Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about typing jobs that are always hiring, like regardless of where you are. Some of them are going to hire you to do some typing jobs, and when I say typing jobs in this video, I don't really mean transcription jobs where you are asked to type out whatever you heard from audio or video. What I mean this time is data entry typing jobs where you are asked to input data. Now for beginners, this particular type of typing job require you to be doing something in a repetitive pattern without making mistakes. What it means is that you're going to be inputting data in your computer, and you need to be accurate, you need to be fast, and for you to be fast you have to know your typing speed. Now for those that don't know, you can check out website like typingtest.com where you can know your typing speed. You can also check out some videos on my channel where you can find how to get started with this website to know your typing speed. Now that being said, you must have a laptop, an internet source, and a headset as well to be able to do your job well. Now regardless of where you are, you can work as an independent contractor. Now some of them I'm going to share with you. It's going to pay you as much as $105 a day on the basis of $15 per hour, provided you're ready to dedicate up to like 7 hours a day to do the work that is required of you to do. And you have to know that accuracy is very needed for you to get started with this job. Now that being said, the first website is one that is globally. What it means is that wherever you are around the world, you can work for them. Now they have field jobs and they have remote jobs. You can find micro tasks like surveys, translation, data entry and stuff like that on the website. Or you can also find huge tasks that can last for a particular period of time that require you to do some field work. And most times this type of job is usually in your location, so wherever you are they can have this type of job, and then you come on board and it has an expiration time. We're starting an expiration time where you're expected to finish the project. However, for you to do some job fast, you can do the work from home jobs like data entry and some other ones you can find on the website. Now the payment on this platform varies. Now if you're going to be doing the remote jobs, they can pay you via PayPal or Payoneer depending on the one they may stipulate for your country in the website. Now if you are going to be doing the field work, you should expect them to pay you direct deposit into your bank account. Most times they're going to pay you in your local currency. Now the name of the website is Appens. I've mentioned it previously in my video. You can check it out and look for data entry jobs that are available. Like you can see here on the screen, there are some that are available right now that you can quickly apply to, and then you start making money while you do this job. Now the second one is a US-based company that say they can actually pay you up to like $420 in a period of 4 days if you put in the work that is expected of you to do. And like I mentioned, accuracy is what is very much needed. You need to be very accurate with the data you're entering without making mistakes, because honestly, because it's a repetitive pattern of work, you are bound to make some mistakes. So you have to be very focused while doing this job so you can get it right. Now this website is looking for data entry contractors, independent contractors that can work from home. However, they are not available for people all over the world. It's usually for people in the United States and some other countries that they stipulate on the website. Now they say they can pay you up to like $19 per hour on the job, provided you're willing to put in some hours of work and you're ready to do the job on the website. Now you can apply. There's a procedure on the website where you can use to apply to these jobs, and then you get started, start working as a data entry independent contractor for them here on the website. So another website is one that is also based in the United States. They're also looking for independent contractors that can work for them as data entry clerks. And what you need to do is to input data for them. Now, like the other ones, accuracy is very much important. Now, this one is going to pay you via PayPal, and they have other requirements they're expected to have on the website, as you can see. Now, you have to be in the United States to get started with them. So the name of the website is StickTrack. I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section where you can easily find them, and then you get started working with them on the website. Please, before we continue, if you've not subscribed, please take a time out, subscribe to this channel, like this video so that others can learn from it and stand a chance to get employed and start earning money from the comfort of your home. We really appreciate you all for your support. Now the next website we're going to talk about is one that is global, like the first one I mentioned, and I've actually mentioned it before. Now it's more like a freelance platform where freelancers and independent contractors come register with them. Once they have a job that suits their skill, then they can take it up. Now they are looking for data entry clerks. You can find other things you can do there on the platform, provided you have the skill. You sign up with them as a ClickWorker, and then you start working for them once they have a job. Now, you have to bear in mind that some of these websites may have to put you through some assessment tests to know how good you are with the job. So you must have a little bit of skill, and experience is not really necessary on these platforms. So ClickWorker is a place where you can find these jobs as an independent contractor or a freelancer working as a data entry clerk. Now, I did not really get to see how much they will pay you on the website, but from my research, according to Indeed.com, they're going to pay you up to like $22 per hour to start working for them as a data entry clerk. So you might want to check it out and apply to get started as a ClickWorker on their website. Now, the next website we're going to talk about is one that has varieties of small tasks that you can do to get started to earn money on the platform. Now, the bad thing about this website is that they don't really pay much compared to most of the websites that I mentioned previously. And this one, you're going to find different types of tasks, including taking surveys and doing all those small tasks. And they are going to pay you via PayPal or any other means they stipulate. And all you need to do is just to have your necessary gadgets and get ready to do the job. However, like I mentioned before, they're going to pay you a few dollars to tens of dollars. They don't really pay that much per hour on the job, but it is a great place for you to start as a beginner. So the name of the website is Mechanical Talks. You might want to check it out. Now, if you're looking for a way to get a typing job in your location or other typing jobs that you may want to check out, you might check out this video. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.